Hello everyone, and warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace and you are preparing for Christmas. We hope that by God's grace Christmas will come and meet us and then go. Just say Christmas is better, yeah. That's not cool. Today I want to share with you how I make my Ghana cake. Okay, so this cake is Ghana party cake. Party a friends and favors. Because I take away and person chain a bit shame. So today I want to share with you. It's very simple. So just stay with me and I'll show you how to make this for this Christmas. Okay, you will love it. So I start by combining my dry ingredients. Okay, so I have salt, baking powder, and I'm adding that to my flour. I'll mix it and I'll set it aside. I'm using plain flour. Okay, so in Ghana they call it soft flour. Okay, it's not for making the bread one. And I'm also preparing my tin ahead of time. It's important that when you're baking, you prepare all your ingredients and your stuff ahead of time because you can't let your batter sit for long. Okay, so I'm using these cases, right? And I'll also be showing you another one that I made earlier, like last year actually. So I couldn't post that video, so I'm going to be showing you. So I'm adding my butter and sugar together. I'll put all the measurement in the description. So like in the top left corner, right? So you see that I'm showing you that you can also use a hand mixer. Okay, you can use your hand if you like, you're bole. So you just I remember when back home in Ghana, my mom would let us be, hey, we'll cream. Wooden spoon, a friend is saying, wooden spoon, na mixing bowl and sugar, granulated sugar and so. I'm using castor sugar, by the way. Okay, then I'm going to add eggs. I'm going to add 6 eggs. Okay, make sure that your eggs, you break it into like a separate container before pouring it, a bowl before pouring it in. Don't break it directly into the mixture. Okay, otherwise, 1, you get shells, you can get shells in it, or 2, the eggs may be rotten. I should have shown you one was actually rotten. Is the abdomen rounded, it's liquid, it's like water, it's ensue, it has to be a bit slimy. Okay, so I added vanilla extract. Okay, you can add essence if that's what you have. And I'm now adding my flour. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of milk. If you don't have fresh milk, you can add evaporated milk. Okay, a little bit of evaporated milk. So I'm adding just 2 tablespoons of fresh milk, right, to make it a bit moist, right? So I'm right. So right in the middle of adding my flour, that's when I added the milk. Okay, so now I'm adding the rest of my flour and I'm mixing it together, and that is it. Just a cake. It is very, very, very simple. Okay, so you can cream it, as I said. You can cream it. One of the way we used to do back home, my mom will make us do, is that we put the sugar in like a parchment paper, some sort of paper. Then we use a wooden spoon, okay, to crush it, to break down the granulated sugar, because Ghana is situated in Isusun. So we break it down a little bit, okay. So then it becomes a bit smoother before we start creaming. Otherwise, it'll be creamy, so it'll be winner why macho. Okay. So in the other one, I added some cherries, okay, or cherries, depending on how you want to pronounce it, right? So I'm just to let you know that like the mixture, this recipe is tried and tested. So last year I made it. This year I'm making it again, and you see that the texture is the same, consistency is the same. So it's like that's what I'm showing side by side for you to know. You can try it, and your Christmas will be just amazing. I use proper butter, okay, proper butter. If you don't have proper butter, you can use margarine, okay, or any butter you find you get your hands on, or you find, okay, and it will still be amazing. Trust me, this cake is so good. And when I made it, you can also revamp it, okay, by adding some lemon zest, okay, and some lemon juice to it to make it lemon, Ghana cake. Can add other things, fresh fruit, and have other recipes I'll be bringing to you this Christmas day. Okay, so I divided it into a loaf tin and a normal round cake tin. Okay, this is like a 7-inch cake tin. Okay, and I just put everything together, and you see, just wanted to show you the consistency of the other one. It's an old video, so the video name papa you know. Anyway, so yeah, you smash it on your table to get all the air bubbles out. Okay, then you bake it. Right, I'll put how long you bake it. You can put some cherries on top as well. Okay, and when it's ready, you take 45 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'll write it down for you. And then you toothpick test. With the toothpick is shape it's cleaner. It means that it's ready. So when you insert a toothpick and it's clean, you know that it's ready. Okay, that's how come your cake is ready. Don't let it bend. Me pamucho. Mama manish. Minimo bia bibia o manish. You see your crochet. So let me just emphasize this a bit. So when you put your toothpick in and it comes out and it still has some of the cake batter on it, it means it's not ready. You know, it should come out clean. The toothpick shouldn't have anything on it. That's what I mean. So yeah, our cake is ready, and yeah, you can cut it into pieces and put it in your takeaway bag for your parties, or you make it for your family and you enjoy it. Okay, very simple. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next one. Okay, bye.